DJI might be about to do it again. If the rumours are true, the upcoming DJI Avata 360 could be one of the most exciting drone launches we have seen in a very long time. And as an avid DJI user, this one's really got my attention. Online chatter suggests DJI are working on a drone that combines a full 360-degree camera with a standalone single lens camera, offering immersive capture without sacrificing image quality when it matters most. And that's important because panoramic drones have traditionally struggled with soft footage, unstable transmission, uncomfortable motion, and complicated editing. But leaks from Chinese social platforms suggest Avata 360 is designed to address those exact points. Specs being discussed include 8K 60 frames per second HDR video,
04 plus video transmission, omnidirectional obstacle sensing
with an integrated propeller guard, and one tap editing, all focused on making creation faster and more reliable. Add in a rumoured starting price of $489, and if DJI delivers, Avata 360 could make immersive aerial storytelling more accessible than ever.